I just have one question. Do you believe that there is corruption within the system, or do you believe that the system has no corruption?
I believe the system has got lots of corruption in it.
Yeah?
Didn't you say perjury palace? That was perjury palace? Is that what you said?
I don't recall.
Let me tell you why this video is so funny to me. This video is of Houston Harris County family law attorney Kelly Joseph. Now, Kelly Joseph was my opposing counsel. That's right. Yeah. He was representation for my child's mom, my ex, my baby mama, whatever you want to call her. So she hired him to file an ex parte temporary restraining order. And in this temporary restraining order, he used all the domestic violence language needed to secure a restraining order. Now, this language didn't come from her mouth, and it's not part of the statement of fact. So in other words, he fabricated these words, entered them into an affidavit, had her sign it, and that's how they were able to perfect and get a TRO. Now, what is an affidavit? Affidavit is a statement of fact. Now, these attorneys, I have been talking about how they weaponize the legal skill set in order to gain the advantage in family court. Them probably thinking I was not going to catch it, but the attorney writing things into a statement of fact that never happened. The attorney is writing things to trigger the judge to sign off on an ex parte TRO on things that never happened, on things that were never said. One of the statements of fact that he made is he said that I have filed 44 frivolous filings. There has been no judge that has deemed any of my motions, petitions as frivolous. Now they're fabricating, they're making shit up, putting it in ex parte TROs and getting what they want. But the fact finders are the judge. And when a pro se litigant like myself goes into court representing myself, being told you're going to be treated like every other attorney in this courtroom, you need to act like one. Cool, but y'all don't treat me the same. You tell me I need to abide by those rules of the court and how you are going to treat me. But then when I give you information that an attorney has violated the disciplinary rules of professional conduct, these judges, mainly Sandra Peak and Linda Dunson, have done nothing. They refuse to report the misconduct to the state grievance council. So when he says there is corruption, there is absolutely a lot of corruption. Now this puts a black eye on every other Harris County court judge. Why? Because you have people in your own profession weaponizing the legal skill set, and then y'all get mad at advocates like myself for calling y'all out on social media and telling people not to vote for you. In this situation, a member from your own legal profession sold y'all out. And I happen to be one of the people that he beat up on with his legal skill set. And because of this, Christopher hasn't seen his dad in 4.5 years. Harris County Family Courts, do better.